Question 5. Use the graph to answer the question. Which series of transformations correctly maps rectangle ABCD to rectangle A', B', C', D'? Okay, so we have a reflection in the y-axis followed by a translation 1 unit up, a reflection in the y-axis followed by a translation 1 unit down, a reflection in the x-axis followed by a translation 1 unit down, and a rotation 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin followed by a translation 1 unit down. Okay, so I'm going to first look at where it's located. So since it's located across the y-axis, I know there wasn't a reflection about the x-axis, because if there was a reflection about the x-axis right here, this whole image would end up on this side over here. So I know it's not a reflection in the x-axis. A rotation 90 degrees counterclockwise. So counterclockwise would mean this direction. So that means point A would be, let's just check, up 5 units over 2 units. So if I were to rotate that counterclockwise 90 degrees, this would lay flat. There's my 90 degrees. So it would be over 5 units and right 2 units. So that is not where A is. So it is not a rotation. So those two are out of the running. So then it leaves the options of up 1 unit or down 1 unit. So I'm just going to look at this, and since A' is lower by 1 unit, it is a reflection in the y-axis followed by a translation 1 unit down. So I hope stepping through and seeing how I would just observe and quickly check which out of these two, if it was a possibility. And that's how I'd go about answering this question.